Leg lock. Straight punch. Leg lock. Straight punch. Leg lock. Leg lock. Straight punch. Stop. One-step sparring. Partners. 10-punch defense. Jaime. Back. Jason, what are you doing?
One step, Sensei.
This isn't Bruce Lee's Jeet Kune Do, it's karate. Now get with the program, okay?
Yes, Sensei.
Okay. Everybody, continue. Dismissed. Okay. Can we get there? Okay.
Did you think over our proposal, Mr. Stillwell?
Yes, I did. And I'm sorry you came all the way from New York for nothing. And I don't want to waste any more of your time.
Meaning?
Meaning, I must decline your offer.
If money's the problem, things can be worked out.
That's not it. I won't join. Your organization.
And my superiors will be quite insulted.
I understood I had a choice in the matter.
Are you that naive, Mr. Stillwell? Now you force my hand. An example must be made. You see?
This'll solve nothing!
Perhaps it'll prove instructive for others with the same ideas.
I will not fight!
So be it.
Karate is not to be used aggressively. But if I have no other choice...
Back with the contract, Mr. Stillwell. Until then, get some rest.
Dad, are you okay?
I think my leg is broken.
We'll get them. We'll make them pay.
No, Jason. It's over. Fighting them is not the answer.
What is the answer?